Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how you can achieve a proper low skin fade. This is how he's living and this is how he came in. So first thing first, I am setting my bad guideline. I like to keep it low and neat around the curve of the head because the foundation determines how clean the fade will look. After that, I go in with my 0.5 guard. This is where the blending really starts. You don't want to rush this part. Take your time and control your lever. Once I'm done blending with the 0.5, I move to the number 1 guard. I am just working that transition so there are no visible lines. Everything has to flow. Next, I use the 1.5 guard to soften the blend into the top. These steps make the fade look smooth and professional. Then I go back to my trimmer to clean the bad area again. I always double check my base to make sure it is smooth. Next, we are moving into the full hair using the 1.5 guard to ensure smooth transition. Now for that lineup, you ensure you don't push back. Ensure you don't push back, taking it very careful. And ensure a smooth line and a well transparent line. When I am lining the curve, I don't push the hairline back. Keep it natural, keep it sharp. That's what gives it that A-light look. Moving to the beard. Taking your time to fade the beard properly. I personally love using a blade for beard lining because it gives it a cleaner and more defined finish. Making sure every detail matters. Now you can see that we are done with the hair with no enhancements. No fiber on it. Looking all clean and fresh. Normally, I prefer my work natural, but the client asked for a light enhancement, so I applied a little fiber on it. When you are applying a fiber to the hair, don't rush it. Use your brush to blend it properly after the application of the fiber. And make sure you are not spraying directly on the skin. It has to look natural. Brushing the hair carefully to make sure that the fiber blends with the hair. Now we are applying fiber on the beards, ensuring that every detail matters. Make sure you don't apply fiber on the skin. Be careful and take it easy, capturing every hair on the beards. Ensure that you apply it in a way whereby it looks all natural. Now you can see the final results, clean, sharp, and fully blended. Wow, this is amazing. And that's how I achieved a proper low skin fade. If you love this, you can like and follow us for more premium haircuts and vibes. Thank you for staying tuned and thank you for watching with us. I hope you had some value with this hair tutorial. You can comment below on your rating for this haircut. Thank you.